you today at Roby 10-Minute School. Today's topic is going to be presentations. Giving a presentation is a very important professional skill. There's a lot to do. Today we're going to focus on one thing. Before that, let me ask you a question. Which of these three do you think is the most important? Materials, like a PowerPoint presentation, notes. You, the presenter, or the audience. Did you choose materials? You? Audience? Yay! Audience is the most important thing. But why? Has this ever happened to you? When you're giving a presentation, has your audience fallen asleep? Been confused? Huh? Been offended? What is she saying? Or just left? Bye. Well, it might be because your presentation was too simple for them, so they left. Maybe it was too difficult, so they were confused. Maybe they knew everything. It wasn't useful. Maybe they were just bored. So, we're going to focus more on the audience and we're going to look at 3 questions. 1, who is your audience? 2, what do you want from your audience? And 3, how do you stop your audience from falling asleep? Okay? Question 1, who is your audience? Who? Well, you can think about your audience in terms of what age are they? Okay? Old, young. If they're much older, they're going to recognize this person. If they're younger, they'll recognize this person. What's their profession? Do they go to university? Or are they business professionals? Gender, all female group or mixed group? Size, are you presenting to one person or to a lot? What are some other things you can think about your audience? Nationality, that's great. What else? Education, excellent. If you have any more ideas, please put them in the comment box below. Let's go to our second question. What do you want from your audience? When you think of that, you should think that you want an action from your audience. So think of a verb. For example, what do you think the action of your audience will be? That's right. You want your audience to buy your product. You also want them to fund your project. It'd be nice if they just gave you money too, right? Or you want your boss to change policy and get more vacation days. Okay, last question. How to stop your audience from falling asleep? Well, first you get a stick and then you beat your audience awake. Just kidding. Please don't do that. There are other ways you can stop them from falling asleep. You have to grab their attention. There are many ways to do this. For example, you can ask a question. Do you hate giving presentations? If you do, please tell us in the comment box below. You could give an interesting fact. For example, did you know that 70% of people in the world are more afraid of public speaking than they are of snakes? And such a handsome snake. You could give a quote. There is no elevator to success, only the stairs. Or you could use a prop, kind of like I did in the beginning. Well, now that we have done all 3 questions, let's recap. They are: who is your audience? What do you want from your audience? How to stop your audience from falling asleep? That's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with us. We have a lot more videos coming ahead, so please like, subscribe, and come again. See you later.